Hey guys, so in my mom's truck, I say truck, but it's really not a truck, it's an SUV. And I just call it a truck. I had that conversation a couple of times at work. Your mom drives a truck? No, she drives an SUV. Oh, okay. Anyways, we are here to install the stereo. And to start off with, we need to install the chassis for the stereo. And that starts by removing this. Now, my mom does not like this thing because she can't see the unit when it's functioning. Let's just turn the key. If I can get that in the hole. Ha ha. And there you go. She has a hard time seeing all that. So we're gonna rip this out and put in a new stereo tonight. Yay! So this unit is going to allow me to install the new unit. And it could be either a single DIN, which is only here, with a spacer to put stuff in, and or a full 2-DIN display, which is the entire piece where it slides in. And that'll take up this area right here. So this is what the unit looks like. Goes into place. Basically, these two things pop off. And if you have a single DIN, this pops into here, and your stereo pops into here, and there you go. Comes with the connectors, 2-DIN, single DIN, has the part to hold the stereo. Probably use all these components in something else, maybe my boat, who knows. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, take those off, this thing should just pop right out. Antenna. Wow. Lots of cables. So, from what I can see here, just by initial looking, this will be the speakers. This will be the power. I see battery. I see negative. I see obviously the power. And I see some other wires, which could be pretty much anything. Could be the dim controller for the lights. I do see a color that looks like that. Could be this wire right here. And then the other ones I'm not so sure about. This is, again, like I said, speakers and some other stuff. So next part of this install is to transfer everything over to this. And I just transferred all the clips over. They would go here. They're now here. That's the white things you see there. The other part of this install is to remove these things to adhere. So I'm gonna have to silicone or glue these on later, so they'll sit right in here, just like that. But we'll worry about those later. So because this is a double DIN display, I removed the center bar, which is now AWOL, but the new deck will slide right into here. In the instructions, it asks you to put on the flaps, that's what I'm going to call them. They just click onto the sides of the chassis, just like that. So now we can insert the deck and start wiring everything up. So that is the end of the stereo removal and stereo chassis install. Next up is the open box.